Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check Amazon Prime expiry date. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Amazon Prime app, and then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this gear icon or settings icon on the top. And once you do that, you'll be sent to your settings page. Now here what you need to do is select the option that says Prime and Subscriptions. And now once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to your Primes and Subscriptions. Now you can see there is no option that is given to you to check your Amazon Prime expiry date on the mobile apps. So what you need to do is head over and open up your Amazon app, and once you open up your Amazon app, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you click on it, here what you need to do is click on the account option. Now once you're inside the account option, scroll down until you find the option that says Manage Prime Membership and tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on Manage Membership. And once you tap on Manage Membership here, you'll be able to see your Prime plan, your expiration date or your renewal date, and your membership as well. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.